Lamsang MLA Sorokhaibam Ranjan has refuted to physical assault allegation made by Assistant Executive Engineer of Northeastern Frontier Railways, Vikash Kumar Meena. The MLA has asserted that the allegation was an attempt to divert attention from shortcomings in the ongoing project by railways. MLA Rajan has also warned to file defamation case against the engineer. Narrating the incident which occurred during a site visit at Awang Kuno Salam and Kiam, MLA Sorokhaibam Rajan informed that he had visited the construction site as villagers of Salam, Awang Kuno and Kiam have raised many complaints concerning lack of road connectivity and disruption in water supply owing to ongoing railway project. He further informed that the Assistant Executive Engineer of Northeastern Frontier Railways, Vikash Kumar Meena, was present during the site visit, but he had no knowledge about what was going on. Further, the MLA has also urged Railway Authority to take steps for early completion of the project in view of the people who are suffering. However, the MLA denied any instance of slapping the engineer. Calling it an allegation to hide the shortcomings of railways, MLA Rajan warned to file defamation suit against the engineer of attempts that are being made to tarnish his image.
Awang Kuno to Ngairangbam, Kumbong, Maklang Tabaya Sigumba, Intervillage, a Quigi Ladybird, Kungang Sigi, Amamarueva, Intervillage Roni, Sigi Rossi, the Moina, Lambizia under construction, the Moina Torresi, 2022, Mamang de Gitoropoduna Sibauda, Sigi Ladyba, condition, Pibam stay the Quay Lambizi Hamini Mointoris. Emile Dorigesi, I want to complain, I don't Toropa. I the Queen Tabaka, Queen Sangbagi, Shouning Bamaleva, Adumama am Labduna, Mangwanda, Nang Tabaxi Tuna Lushalo, Kanatoronang responsibility later Wang. Nunang Idana, Monda, Sumnagi Yamna, Tasta Wadile, Aduga Monda, Fugiba, Kokiba Late, Railwayna, Tabakta with the pending Laraga, I quote Badanam Pinaba Moina, Lana Press, Mitka Tauraga Moina, Mediada, Emilian, Equi Pures, Mina Tabak Pudana Tauraga, the Equi, Mapandagi Laga, say the projects Tabaktoriba, Quaker Mina Tawungam Ni, Kaina Yamna, Masugi, Masagi, Ashoiba do the Udraga, Equator Badanam Piraga, Tabak Progress later, Mayam to do late talk number Honaba, Manipur Prazamayamgi, Yamna Labak Tivan and Ayak Heiningi. Aigi Kendra, the Paikapa project Kudingmak, Atuamatam delusion, Nanba, Masumadu, Kanabadu, Aigi Praza, the P5, Aigi Toneva, To Pantona Bagidamata, Marina Nava, Council, Department, Adugum by staff, Mayam, Officer Mayam Koraga, Hibani.
Railway lapatigi koi mafam ati thakib dagi atumati lau ubase atumati ware jan khuding moy ga atum khana MLA yaudri mama atum khana ga lakibani koi gi na paisa puthui haraga mafam jing koi no hotlaga semaga koi wala lauje pandana 2022 dagi na ngasi bogi koi atumati wara ga lakpani pasi gi awaba koi praja mayam gi awaba asi ubire yengbire haraga atuba matam da thaba asi loisan biduna kam nanglam thilliba tingniba asi koi phatpire haraga lau uba nungaina uba yana ba sinbiu haibaje koi awang khunu gi praja gi sate koi thamjari
Badagi, Akoigi, Lamsangi, Kendragi, Emilia, Kogi, Sarsida, Queen Hazabani, Adubu, Sarsina, Lapiraga, Sarsina, Maging, Asagi, Wahangze, Mayamze, Kogi, in a Habiriba, in a Habiriba, Sededa, Hangbiba, Matamda, Haribaduna, Pazana, Maritumna, Sarsida, Kumbidraga, Sarsida, Mu, Complainama, Hadi, Karigumba, Mamana, Namzella, Aga, Mana, Hariba, Wahaise, Koi, Awankonogi, Apunba, Makai, Sidagi, Aquena, Sug, Yazaninde, Yazabasung, Amoy, Karigumba, Sars. Matungda, Mahoina complaint Tauribase, Dr. Handokadabani, Handokta Taragadi, Akoigi, Apunba, Awang Kunona, Iho Amasung, Hotelakani, Aduna Koigi Railway, Taubiriba Makoigi, Pibiriba Singsida, Akoi Awang Kuno Apunbana, Ziki Hari Basis Hazard problem, my heck, Kariguma Sarzia, Sopala, Pataragadi, Akoina Maduda, the Chap Banana Tenana, Akoi Iho, Zagani, Hibawapamze, Tamzagi.